welcome everyone to Diecast YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do a different type of video. Different means a different model, different brand, and alright. Now you can see what's the model. This is RMZ City Scania P360 transporter truck. Actually, it came with a full transport set like this. So this had I'll show you the backside. This was the full set. It had BMW M5, Porsche 911 Turbo, Lamborghini Murcielago, and Land Rover, Range Rover Sport, and all these items as well. But I already fixed this stuff in my office desk. So this is the highlight of this set, Scania P360 truck. So I have them with me, and in the background you can see all those construction items. So this one is pretty much up to scale, 1:64. I don't have any RMZ City cars in my collection, but I bought this one because it looks pretty decent, very good. And you can easily detach the rear part of the trailer. So this is the model, this is the truck. Talking about the truck, it's very good. Steel and plastic base. You can see Scania P Series, made in China, obviously. And check out the wheels. I really like the wheels. These ones are not the rubber tires. These are plastic tires, but check those details. Check the front and rear tire details. Very good, well done. And check out in rear, you can see 2 tires, altogether 4, and single tires in the front. Talking about the front side of this one, you have the Scania logo and P360 logo here, and nicely done the grille and the plastic headlights, painted fog lights. Check these out. It's very nice. Wow. And you can pretty much open this part and close it. I don't know how you're gonna stack the cars on top, but anyway. And this is the rear part of the trailer. You can easily detach from the main truck, and this thing has this flip as well. There's no spare wheel, because if you guys can remember, Tomica Limited Vintage, they have done the Hino Transporter Truck with amazing details. We can't compare Hino, the Tomica Limited Vintage, with RMZ City. Even the price wise, this is very cheap. I bought this one for about $25 in Australia with all this set. But that Tomica Limited Vintage Hino truck, it'll cost around 200 Australian dollars. I checked eBay yesterday, I think. It was like about $200. So this is nothing to compare with that one. So talking about this rear one, it doesn't have the couple wheels, just single wheels each side. So altogether 4 wheels, and easily detached from the main body. I love this one, man, guys. I love this one. And if you guys want to carry on the single truck, that's fine. And if you guys want to have both trucks, leave this one and check this one over here. There you go. And wait, I'll try to load something to this truck. It's pretty good over here. Alright. First I will load this one. There we go. This is the Hot Wheels Mazda Repu. And close it and attach the second one. Let's stack. What do you want? Alright, what is this? This is Datsun 620. 1, 2. how many oh, we can do another one here. See, there's a wheel, there's a small area to rest, and let's put these Datsun 620 trucks. Yeah, there's a small wheel resting on this truck. Wow, that's cool. That's pretty neat, huh? Alright, let's try another one over here. It's very hard to track, but alright, park it here. Alright, there you go, fully loaded. Very neat, huh? Oh. Yeah, it's very nice for the photographs as well, and nice way to display your stuff. Cars. Wow, I like this one. Well done. Well, good job. Actually, Hot Wheels can use this sort of thing for their transporter series as well. Not using all those fantasy transporters. Yeah, they can get this sort of transport license from Scania or any other Ford or any other company, because this is a beautiful casting. Alright guys, that's it from the center here. I'll upload some photos to my Instagram page. Please visit Diecast Beast. That's my Instagram page name, as same as the YouTube. And please hit the subscribe button down here and hit a like as well. And please give your comments on these videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching guys. See you. Bye.